Thinking of buying a home, but the word mortgage just makes your head spin? You're not alone. Most people feel overwhelmed the first time they hear terms like escrow or fixed rate. But here's the truth. Mortgages don't have to be scary if you understand them. In this video, I'm breaking it all down, step by step, so you can finally feel in control of your home buying journey. Imagine waking up in your dream home, cooking in your own kitchen, sitting on your own porch, and knowing that you're building wealth while you live your life. That's what a mortgage makes possible. You move in now and pay it off over time. Let's unlock exactly how it all works. Right now, what is a mortgage? Let's start with the basics. A mortgage is a loan, but not just any loan. It's the kind that helps you buy a home without needing hundreds of thousands up front. You borrow money from a lender like a bank or credit union, and you agree to pay it back over 15 to 30 years with interest. But here's the catch. Until you pay it off, your lender technically owns your house. So staying on top of those payments, absolutely critical. Key mortgage terms. Let's decode some words lenders love to throw around. Principal, that's the money you actually borrow. Interest, the cost of borrowing, the bank's profit. Term, how long your loan lasts. 15 or 30 years are the most common. Down payment, your skin in the game. Usually 3% to 20% upfront. Escrow. A separate account used to pay your property taxes and insurance monthly. Understanding these terms makes you 10x more confident when it has time to talk to banks or agents. It's types of mortgages. Now, let's talk types. Because not all mortgages are built the same. Fixed rate mortgage, simple, predictable. Your interest rate stays the same for the entire loan. Adjustable rate mortgage arm. Starts lower but could go up later. Riskier but flexible. FHA loans. Government-backed. Lower down payments. Great for first-time buyers. VA loans. If you're a veteran or active duty military, this one's for you. Low costs, no down payment. Huge perks. Choose the one that matches your life and your long-term plans. The mortgage process, here's how the mortgage process works. From dreaming to moving in. 1. Get pre-approved, so sellers know you're serious. 2. Find your home. The fun part. 3. Make an offer, with your pre-approval letter in hand. 4. Apply for the mortgage officially. 5. Home appraisal, to make sure it's worth the price. 6. Close the deal and move in. Pro tip. Keep your credit score strong and avoid taking new loans during this whole process. It can make or break your approval. Smart mortgage tips? Want to stay ahead? Follow these golden rules. Don't borrow more than you can realistically afford. Always compare at least 3 lenders. Interest rates vary a lot. Watch out for closing costs and extra fees hiding in fine print. Be informed, not overwhelmed. And that's it, your complete beginner-esque guide to how mortgages work in the USA. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you buying your first home this year, or just getting ready? This is the Real Estate Scouts, your trusted guide in the world of real estate, and we're here to guide you home, smarter, faster, and with confidence. See you in the next one.